You're probably going to be watching this on the 25th of February. It is currently the 10th. I have my first car show that I have to be at in like 2 weeks. So we got to start cranking this stuff out. With that being said, we're almost done the car. We have a few things left, which includes today, we're going to be doing our clear taillights. We're also going to be modding a third taillight into a clear. As you guys see, red inlay. We're going to be taking that out and I'm going to show you guys how you can do clears on that. This is how the car currently sits. We've had these spider taillights in this car since as long as I can remember ago, and they've been with us forever. But as you know, as we've been doing this setup for this year and doing these, you know, chrome wheels and everything else, they are tinted and they have a big red inlay in them, which just doesn't suit any of this at all. Along with this is tinted because these are really bright, so we're going to take the tint off these. These rear ones are good to go. Then moving up to the lights up here, I also have replacements for these, which you guys will see in the next video. So we're getting this like into that point where, well, this is like gonna be what it's gonna look like for the year. We're almost done. I also have the LED third brake light, which is tinted. That is going to be going as well for the other one that I just showed you. So we have quite a bit to do today. Let's go ahead and get started. So like I said, for our third brake taillight, third brake taillight, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this red inlay out. You can only do this, I believe, with the post facelifts, which is the 07 to 09s, just so you know. There are little tabs. I think you got it. There we go. Oh my God. Okay, so here we have the cover. Here we have our lens. This red piece is only held in by clips. Now you have this option, you can spray this chrome if you'd like, but this is actually, you know, you use this, so put this back on as normal and it will look normal. This is a little grungy, so I'm going to try and clean this up just a little bit before I put it back together. Look how much better this looks. That looks awesome. Pop these two back together. And now we got clear third tail light brake lights. Now for these, I just want to clean them out. They're just, when you get like the gunk in between the lens and the black plastic, really see it. So I just want to make these look a little bit more pretty. Looks so much better around the edges. Oh, expect that to happen, did I? While this one waits for super glue to dry, we can put this one back in. This one's holding on for dear life. Not sure for how long though. Slide that in, boom, done. We are now dripped out. That looks so much better being not tinted. I don't know, it's kind of unfortunate that these rear ones were never as bright as these ones, so it kind of looks funny, but once we get those other taillights in, I think this is going to look so good. Because they're the easiest, we're going to take the corner ones out first. So to take these out, in case you guys don't know, there are 2 bolts, one right there and one right there, and just a bunch of wiring. Gone. That looks pretty good. Small fitment issue because of the wires from this come up through one of the guiding pins, but that looks pretty baller, dude. That looks like a G35 taillight. Okay, the hatch is like the worst part, so I'm just gonna get this over and done with. No way. Oh man. It's been a while since these puppies came out. Those suck to do. I'm gonna do the other side before I lose my mental. Quick peek. Cool. Now for this. Thank you. Bless. I am definitely most excited for this. I need a bulb. What's that? Midget? So because I took the inlay out, I'm gonna need a red bulb, but hopefully this just works. I'm not driving this, so it's not a big deal, but please note. I think it looks better. Beauty. Clear taillights complete. Oh my god, that looks so much better. Does that not look much better? I think that looks much better. Look at the corner taillights, corner piece, this,
that. The only thing I wish I could do is obviously this red lens here, but that's no big deal. This looks awesome.
Let's go ahead and look at the lights when they're on. You know what I haven't done in years? The drive-by down and up and down the road. Sheesh. Barely started, it's a little cold. Hey. I forgot about that. Man, I love how the back of this thing looks now.
I feel like for so long it just looked the same, and now it's got a total different appearance to it.
We are getting so close to daily driving this thing. I'm kind of worried. Shows are just around the corner. I gotta still deal with the ride height, get it aligned. I think that's pretty much it though. I also need to get the rear bumper figured out because of the clear coat issue when I pulled the wrap off. But I think that should be pretty much it. And I also need to drive it. So that's all needing to be done really quick. I always leave these things for the last minute. You know, when it gets nice and warm, I start working on the cars and stuff. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a like on the video, and comment down below what you guys think of the new taillight setup. Other than that, guys, keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.